Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Chicago Mandarin Chinese Center. My name is Andy Zhang. Today I'm going to show you a very frequently used Chinese character. The character we're about to learn has two different pronunciations, kan and kan. This character is composed of 9 writing strokes as shown here in the animated image. When it is pronounced the fourth tone, kan, it means to look, to see, to watch, or to visit. When it is pronounced the first tone, kan, it means to monitor or to supervise. The part of a speech of this character is a verb, and grammatically, it is used as a predicate in a sentence. This character is listed as one of the most frequently used beginner level 1 characters in the Chinese Proficiency Test, or HSK. The writing stroke order of this character is indicated as follows. This character was not found in the oracle bone inscriptions, nor in the bronze inscriptions. This character appeared for the first time as a small seal script in the Qing dynasty in Chinese history. You can see it is an upper and a lower structure. Now let's take a look into this character. In ancient Chinese, the upper part of this character actually means hand, and the lower part means eye. The character hand and the character eye are both found in bronze inscriptions, which are 800 years earlier than the small seal script in the Qing dynasty. So this character is an ideograph, which means using the combination of different individual characters to express a new meaning. Literally, the ideographic meaning of this character is putting hand above eye. You can imagine that when you are looking afar in a sun-shining day, you put your hand above your eyes to block the sunlight. After the small seal script of the Qing dynasty, the writing form of this character has experienced a few changes. You can see how the writing form of this character evolved from one to another throughout the Chinese history. Regular script is widely used in various printing media in China today.